Hi again, my name is Clement. So, have you ever created a website or created your project, and after you're done with it, you want to show maybe your clients, or you want to host it, but you don't want to, or you want the free hosting? So today I'm going to show you three platforms or sites where you can host your website for free, depending on how your project is or the nature of your project. And now let's start with Render. So for Render, it's very easy to use as you can deploy your site from GitHub. And now Render supports both front-end and back-end. That is, it supports static websites and dynamic websites. Also, Render supports a database, and you also get a free domain. But now, the disadvantages of using Blender is that your project goes to sleep after every 15 minutes. So after every 15 minutes of inactivity. So if your site is not being used at a gap period of 15 minutes, it automatically goes to sleep. But I have not found any problem with that. So the site still works perfectly, only that there will be some delays. But remember, we are using free hosting for showcasing your website or its startup. It's not recommended for full productivity. So if you're looking for a cheap productive website, I would prefer you go with GoDaddy, or you go with Bluehost. And now let's go to site number 2. So in site number 2, it's Railway. So for Railway, you get a free domain, you get the front end, you get the back end, and you can deploy everything from GitHub. Now, the disadvantage about Railway is that it is only valid for 1 month. So if you want to show your client or show your project, maybe for a short period of time, so Railway is your place to go. You get credits valid for 1 month only, and after that you will have to pay for a minimum of $5 per month, of which I don't really recommend if you want a long-term project. Uh, I will explain about that later, maybe in another video. Now let's go to Cloudflare. So for Cloudflare, you can host up to 100 static websites for free. Now, Cloudflare is not recommended for dynamic websites, but for the static website, it's totally fine. Now, I want you in the comment section to tell me which site you think is better than the three that I've mentioned here, and which you think I should go deeper into for the next video. Thank you.